So if you have Filmora already, then feel free to skip this tutorial, but if you don't have Filmora and you want to do this course, well, the good news is they do have a free trial version. And furthermore, you don't actually have to sign up for Filmora. All you have to do is just navigate to that particular page, download Filmora itself, and install it. And there you go. You have Filmora on your computer. To regard to the unpaid version, the free trial version, there is just one restriction to the best of my knowledge, and that is if you wanted to export a video using the unpaid version, you will end up with a watermark within the video itself. But I would say this is pretty rare with free trial versions. You do get to use all of the tools and functionality within the video editor itself. So, yeah, definitely very rare that would happen. And it's great that Filmora actually does this. So anyway, if you have not got Filmora, you can download the free trial and I'll show you how to do that in a second. You can complete this course and then you can purchase the video editor if you want. So anyway, we'll jump over to Google now, and I'll show you how to get the free trial version of Filmora. Type Filmora free trial, and it's this option here. You will be presented with this window that looks similar to this. And then just look for the right free button and click on it. Click Allow to start download. Now that it's downloaded, you can double-click on it to start simple installation process, but I have already done that. And here it is. So you can just double-click on this. And now we're good to go with creating videos and also visiting all of these various settings that we will be learning about in this course. So anyway, that's how you get the free trial version of Filmora. I'll see you in the next video.